For lock installation on a JOBOX storage chest, you will need the following: 1 lock retainer, 1 1/4 inch by 3 inch long bolt, 1 1/4 inch lock washer, 1 1/4 inch nut. Next, follow these 5 steps. When installing your padlock, please remove the plastic band at the top of the lock. First, install the padlock on the lock retainer and close the padlock. 2 holes are provided depending on the size of your padlock. Next, slide the 3-point lock bar to the System Locked position. Then, from the outside of the lid, insert the padlock and the retainer into the lock housing. If you have a tradesman chest, be sure to install the lock retainer as shown. Next, insert the bolt through the lock housing and the lock retainer. Finally, affix the lock washer followed by the nut and tighten. Always check the lock and unlock operation after installing the padlock and prior to closing the lid. To learn more, visit crescenttool.com.